Everybody that I was talking to that had this type of surgery has said they wish they had it done sooner. It got to a point to where, that Dr. Sushi, who is my surgeon, was doing everything he could to try to prevent surgery. And so for the last few years, I've been getting gel shots, and they were working, and then eventually the doctor told me that at one point they won't. I think any time that you have surgery, there's some anxiety, especially, as you get older. Am I going to be the same? Am I going to be able to rehab? Am I going to be able to do the same things that I've done? And everybody was, said, well, where are you going to? Are you going to Lexington, going to Louisville? I said, no, I'm staying here at Frankfort. Frankfort's my home. And, I've worked with these people and got a lot of faith in the hospital and the surgeons here. So I've bragged on the hospital, I've bragged on the staff, I've bragged on the physician, the cleaning lady. I mean, from top to bottom, those are the experiences that you want to have. It's that family atmosphere that makes you want to keep coming back, and where you feel safe and feel comfortable, and that you're getting the service that you need to get better.